On number 4, I'm trying to convert from grams to hectograms. So grams are one of our basic units, and hecto is right here. So I'm starting with 15, and the decimal place is to the right of the ones place, and I want to move it to the left. So 2 to the left, and that'll be 0.15, and I want to put my leading 0. For number 5, I'm converting from kilograms to grams. So that is going from the K to the basic unit. So that is going 3 places to the right. So in those last 2 places, I need to add my own zeros. And that's going to be 2,100 grams. And then for number 6, I'm converting from meters to kilometers. So this is very important because this meters does not mean this M. This M means milli. So just an M is one of our basic units. So that is right here. And I'm converting to K. So that is 3 places to the left. So my final answer will be 7.3568.